day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Oh wow, Jerome, that has got to be bigger than 12 inches.
Drake, what are you doing?
Whoa, hey Eric, you started me there. I was just in the metaverse talking to my waiter Jerome. He recommended the foot-long chicken parmesan sub.
The virtual sub.
The virtual sub.
Well,
I mean,
look at this. I got a real one for you right here.
Oh my gosh, Poppy, you've done it again. A foot-long chicken parm here at Poppy's Bar and Chill. Oh my gosh, I don't need this one.
You don't need that one.
So you're telling me now I can get a foot-long chicken parmesan here at Poppy's Bar and Chill at the Drake Hotel? That's unbelievable.
Oh no, it's on the menu.
It is on the menu, guys. It is on like Donkey Kong here at Poppy's Bar and Chill. Foot-long chicken parmesans, guys. You gotta come here and try this out. I mean, seeing it on video is one thing. Put it in your mouth is another.
Hey guys, you know at Poppy's, we always aim to please. I've had many requests for a value budget breakfast. You know, everybody's staying at the Drake, 25% off right now of all the regular prices, and they're coming to me at Poppy's and they're saying, what kind of deal do you have at Poppy's? Gil, we're always thinking of new things to bring out. We got the Cheap Bastard Breakfast here by popular demand. Check this out. If you need a budget breakfast, right here is the answer. The Cheap Bastard. It fit anybody's budget. 99 pesos. You get one egg, a slice of toast with some butter, endless service water, and guess what? That egg is cooked in the grease of somebody else's breakfast that could afford a real breakfast. Maybe the guy before you had some bacon, had some sausage. Well, guess what? We're gonna cook your egg in that grease and you're gonna get all the flavor that you would get for $2.99 in a 99 peso budget-friendly breakfast right here. Oh, here you go, sir, your breakfast.
Thank you so much. You know, when I came here to Angeles City, I came here, man, with about 1,000 pesos in my pocket. Broke as hell. I heard that they had a breakfast here at Pappy's called the Cheap Bastard Breakfast. So I'm here right now enjoying the Cheap Bastard Breakfast for only 99 pesos. Now, if you're a cheap bastard like myself who will come all the way to Angeles City with no more than 1,000 pesos in your pocket, then Pappy's is the place for you, baby.
This guy knows where to get his breakfast. That's at Pappy's. Only place in town. You can get the Cheap Bastard, 99 pesos. It's all the protein you need.
That's it. That's it. That's it. How you doing? Got a great idea. Got a great idea. Talk to you about it later.
Good afternoon.
Hello, ladies. Hello, ladies. Got a great idea. I'll talk to you about it in a minute.
Eric. Just like I'm on go.
Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Eric, I got a great idea. Got a great idea. Hear me out.
What you got going on?
25% off.
25% off.
25% off all rooms.
Have you lost your mind?
I have lost my mind, but my mama had me tested when I was in grade school, so I think I'm okay, clinically speaking. It just hit me as I was driving over here. 25% off all rooms.
25%.
25% off.
We're never going to make money at 25%.
It doesn't matter if we make any money on the rooms. We're going to make money off this food.
We already got them coming in for this great food.
Well, I know the food's great, but just think how many more people will come, check out the rooms, check out the food at 25% off all hotel rooms.
We just did the $9.99 deal, though.
I know we just did the $9.99 deal.
How are we going to make money?
Well, these people need to come here and try this food. They stay at the Drake, get 25% off the rooms, and get to try all this delicious food. I mean, speaking of food, are you eating all this?
That's all mine, man. This is lunch.
Lunch? Waitress, can I have a lunch?
Hey, Drake, what's going on, man?
Eric, I am just looking at this menu, thinking about our next promotion. I'm thinking we do 25% off all the food items on the menu. Girls, what do you think?
No, sir.
No?
No.
It's settled. We're doing it. We're doing it. Come to the Drake Hotel, eat at Poppy's Bar and Chill, get 25% off all the food items on the menu.
Yeah, but Drake, we just did this 25% off deal on the hotel.
You know what? Call me crazy. Call me crazy, but let's do 25% off everything. Stay at the Drake, get 25% off all the rooms. Eat in the restaurant, get 25% off all the food items on the menu.
All right, guys, make sure you come down and take advantage of this. What a deal.
Come and see us.
Drake, you look like you're in deep thought over something here. You're looking at this price board here. What is up?
I'll tell you what, last month we did the $9.99 special. Everyone loved it. Some great things start all over again. So this month we are doing 25% off all the rooms. What do you think about that, Eric?
That's an excellent deal.
You know what, Eric? Standard A rooms would only be $12.75 at that rate. Let's give everybody 200 pesos consumable in our restaurant. So you can get a junior room here at the Drake for only 900 pesos a night and get 200 pesos back consumable at Poppy's Bar and Chill. So that's 700 a night.
That's almost like a $3 lap dance.
It's better than a $3 lap dance. You get a sandwich with it.
What the heck are we gonna do with these prices, man? We gotta make some money one of these days.
Well, hopefully you'll come here, love the food, love the room, eat in our restaurant, tell everybody about it. We're gonna show you a couple more rooms.
Let's look at some.
Oh yeah, Eric, look at this.
Got a big 50-inch TV on the wall here.
Room has a new aircon, a refrigerator as well.
Mm-hmm.
Eric, let's show them one more shot of these junior rooms. Now guys, right now you can get 310 for 900 pesos. Now how many hotels here in Angeles have their own refrigerator? Too many. Cable TV, Wi-Fi,
Yeah.
spacious bed, new aircon. Now guys, we're still in our honeymoon phase. We're still introducing everybody to our brand, to Drake Hotel and Poppy's Bar and Chill. We want you guys to come and try these rooms at these discounted rates. The great deals can't last forever. This won't last forever.
No.
So for this month, come get this room for 900 or others like it.
All right, guys, come over and take advantage of this great deal. It's always a great deal at the Drake and great food here at Poppy's.
See my main girl, Chin, here at the front desk. She's going to hook you up with the best deals we have in town and some of the best promos in the restaurant. See you at the Drake.
Come on over. See ya.
See you soon.
Drake here at Poppy's Bar and Chill Street Eats. We are officially open, guys. Come on down, try some of this great food. But I gotta warn you guys, there's some lady boys going up and down the street here buying everybody fraps from Poppy's Bar and Chill Street Eats if you'll make out with them. They're not bad, they're pretty good. Great news. I got a great idea. Y'all want to hear it?
What is that, sir?
I have decided 25% off all foods here at Drake. What do you think? 25% off?
Wow, that's great.
Our other rates were $6.99 for a short time. Now that's going to stay the same. But standard C was $1,200. Now it's $900. So for 900 pesos, you can stay here at the Drake Hotel, eat at Poppy's Bar and Chill, the best restaurant in Angeles City. Come say hi to these girls. Take advantage of these rates. It can't last forever.
Hey guys, don't forget, come in here, take a selfie with your food, post it on a local Facebook page or your own Facebook page, and get 25% off at our other restaurant. It works both ways.
Either way, so you can eat here at Poppy's Bar and Chill, post it online on Facebook, and then go down to the Walking Street location within 3 days and get 25% off there. Or vice versa, go down there, have a frap on a hot day like this. Everyone loves a nice cold frap.
The lady boys like buying you fraps.
Well, that is true. I mean, I needed something to get the taste out of my mouth. Like Eric said, come here to Poppy's, eat at our restaurant, and then within 3 days after you post your selfie of your food, you can eat at Poppy's on Walking Street and get 25% off. So guys, that's 25% off all rooms and 25% off our food. How can you go wrong with that?
Just make that post.
Just make that post, come in and save 25%. See ya.